What are you eating?
Purple.
Donut?
Purple.
Purple. Powder.
This.
What is it?
Purple.
A powder? Is it because it's your birthday? Yeah. Wow. You shoved the whole thing in your mouth.
Forget it in the morning. Actually,
Oh, there it is.
Halfway or whatever.
There it is again. Is that good? Whoa.
March 4th. That's good.
And it's gone. That's nummies. Here's the birthday cakes cooling. Double layer for you. Mama has to make the frosting. Yeah. Birthday cake.
She might not be hungry for macaroni. It's 2 donuts. So
No.
starch.
They're little.
Oh.
Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy to you.
To you.
Yeah.
Happy to you too.
Have a drink of milk. I know donuts make you thirsty.
That's why I grabbed the milk right away. Drink a whole jug of milk on donuts. Look at that gut.
Mom?
Just like her dad.
No, we're gonna have dinner first.
No.
Sing happy birthday.
Say happy birthday. I say happy birthday, Ava.
Say happy birthday to you.
No.
No?
Look at her head of hair. That full head
She
of
has
hair.
crazy hair. Say I have crazy hair. All done?
Look like a rock star.
No.
Say happy birthday to me.
Happy me.
Good
Happy me.
girl. Happy birthday to you.
Happy.
Sing it.
Get some pie face out of here.